In the world of photography, choosing the right camera is essential to getting the shots you want. Whether you're a professional or an amateur, the best mirrorless cameras of 2023 offer a range of features and capabilities that can help you take your photography to the next level. Mirrorless cameras are known for their compact size, lightweight design, and high-quality imaging capabilities. They're also known for their fast autofocus, versatile shooting modes, and advanced video capabilities. All of these features make mirrorless cameras an excellent choice for photographers of all levels. So, why is it important to choose the best mirrorless cameras of 2023? For one, these cameras offer the latest technology and features that can help you take better photos and videos. They also have the durability and build quality that you need to withstand the rigors of professional use. To help you choose the best mirrorless camera for your needs, we've done some research and picked the top 3 best mirrorless cameras of 2023. You can find links to each product in the description below. These cameras offer a range of features and capabilities that make them perfect for a variety of photography and videography needs. Number 3. Sony A7 IV. First off, let's talk about the video capabilities of this camera. It's capable of capturing 4K 60p video in 10-bit quality using the full width of its 33-megapixel exmor or CMOS sensor. This results in incredibly sharp and realistic footage. And with S-Cinetone color grading, your video will have a cinematic look straight out of the camera. Next, let's take a look at the viewfinder and LCD screen. The electronic viewfinder has a resolution of 3.68 million dots and a refresh rate of 120 frames per second, making it incredibly sharp and smooth. And the 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD is great for composing shots from a variety of angles. In terms of stills performance, the A7 IV has a fast hybrid autofocus system with real-time IAF, as well as 5-axis image stabilization to help keep your shots sharp. It's also got a range of creative looks and a soft skin effect to add some flair to your photos. In terms of connectivity, the A7 IV has wireless capabilities and can stream live video using the Imaging Edge mobile app and Bluetooth. It also has a USB Type-C port for 4K 15p UVC/UAC streaming. Overall, the Sony A7 IV is a fantastic all-around camera that excels in both stills and video performance. If you're in the market for a full-frame mirrorless camera, definitely give the A7 IV a look. Number 2. Canon EOS R5 C. This camera is a true hybrid, combining the video formats and features of the Cinema EOS lineup with the still imaging capabilities of the EOS R system. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to take with you on the go, but it's packed with professional features for both photography and videography. One of the standout features of the EOS R5 C is its ability to capture 8K video. With 8K resolution, you'll get outstanding definition and realism, with 16 times the resolution of Full HD. And with the option for internal 8K/60p RAW or Cinema RAW light recording, as well as HDMI 8K RAW output to compatible recorders, you have a lot of flexibility in your workflow. The camera also has 8K HDR recording in PQ/HLG format, which gives you even more options for color grading and post-production. And with an internal cooling fan, you can keep recording in 8K without any breaks. In terms of stills performance, the EOS R5 C has a 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor that delivers superb image quality. It also shares many of the features and technology of the EOS R5 camera, including fast and precise autofocus with dual-pixel CMOS AF2 and 1053 automatic AF zones for tracking various subjects. The camera has a high-speed continuous capture rate of up to 20 frames per second, so you won't miss a moment. The EOS R5 C also has a range of expanded interfaces for professional needs, including HDMI, SDI, and USB Type-C. And with 13 assignable buttons, you can customize the camera to your liking. It's also compatible with the RF 5.2mm dual fisheye lens, which gives you a unique perspective and distortion-free image quality. Overall, The Canon EOS R5 C is an impressive camera that offers a lot of versatility for both stills and video. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or an advanced amateur, the EOS R5 C has something to offer. Number 1. Nikon Z 9fx format. This camera is a powerhouse of speed and resolution, with a 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor and XP7 image processing. It's built for professional photographers and videographers, with a pro-level build and a range of advanced features. One of the standout features of the Z9 is its autofocus system, which uses deep learning to automatically detect and track a wide range of subjects, including people, pets, vehicles, and more. This makes it easy to get sharp, in-focus shots of even the fastest-moving subjects. The camera can also capture stills at an impressive 120 frames per second, with full AF and AE performance and no blackout. The Z9 also has impressive video capabilities, with the ability to capture 8K/30p video in camera for over 2 hours without overheating. It can also record 4K 120p slow motion video, and has 10-bit 4K/30p video from oversampled 8K, recorded in camera as ProRes 422HQ or H.265. In terms of stills performance, the Z9 delivers stunning 45.7 megapixel image quality, with a fast scanning speed and 12x faster data readout than the Z7 II. It also has a new high-efficiency RAW file format that's 1/3 the size of uncompressed RAW while retaining the same high image quality and dynamic range. In addition to its advanced imaging capabilities, the Z9 has a range of workflow enhancements, including a world's first blackout-free viewfinder, a 4-axis tilting monitor, and compatibility with the N-Log color profile. It also has advanced connectivity options, including USB, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, HDMI, and GPS. Overall, the Nikon Z9 is a professional-grade camera that delivers top-notch image and video quality, fast and powerful autofocus, and a range of advanced features. Whether you're a professional photographer or videographer, or an advanced amateur looking for a high-performance camera, the Z9 is worth considering. Thanks for watching our review of the top 3 best mirrorless cameras of 2023. We hope this information has been helpful in your search for the perfect camera. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button and leave a comment down below. And if you want to stay up to date with all the latest photography and videography gear, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.